right? If you have a clicking controller, ps5 controller, this is what I found. Because you already know, you have your 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 in total. Then what you do, break these, or don't break them, but break them loose right here. I accidentally broke out one already, so you kind of lift up right there. Flip it. Comes apart. Now what I found, turn my flash on. This piece right here was loose, was off. So all I did was like that. When I opened the controller, I found it like that. So all I did, if you see it, it looks like a D kind of figure in there. So I aligned the little shaft with the way the D is facing. All I did was lined it up and then pushed it in. You heard that click? That's all I did. Of course, once you do that, you put all your stuff back in. It's on. No clicking. That's all. All you have to do is put it together